Has this ever happened to you? Hey, another quick video here. We've got a couple tips if you're installing header in an Indy MX-5, the 4th gen MX-5 Miata, or Mazda Roadster if you're in Japan. So, just a couple quick things. We're not going to cover everything, just the real critical tips that we figured out while we were doing the install for Annie's car. Alright, so everyone says to jack up the Indy engine from the oil pan. I think that's a terrible idea. So if you have an engine hoist, you can just run a long bolt in right here to the head, and then I put a couple washers in there to protect it so the hook doesn't slide that direction. We're just going to slowly lift up right here instead. Just like that. To give you some more flexibility, there's a bolt holding this pipe straight down here, as well as another one up here at this spot. So we want both of those to be loose so that this pipe can flex out of our way. We're going to just gently pull it back, and then carefully grab your factory manifold and try to work it out. So that's kind of the important bits there, is running that M10 by 1.25 bolt into the head and then lifting from there. I think that's a lot safer than lifting from the oil pan, because that's just asking to dent your oil pan, and you really don't want that. Or even worse, if you crack the oil pan. So, but we forgot to set up the camera when Annie was giving a hand and helping to pull the coolant hoses out of the way as I manipulated the header out of place there. But basically that's it. You just lift up high enough, pull those out of the way, header comes right out. Not too bad, but you still have to be careful. There's a sharp edge on one of those mounting brackets that can scratch your brand new header. So, thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you have any other tips or tricks for installing headers or other exhaust parts on your Indy MX-5. If you like this video, the YouTube algorithm likes if you hit like, subscribe, comment, tell me I suck, whatever you feel like doing. Anyway, have a good day. Thanks.